My name is Raymond from Airlift Equipment, and today we're going to talk all about the Airlift 3P management. Did you know that Airlift has been in business almost 75 years? That is why everything is so well thought out with the Airlift 3P management. For this video, we'll be covering two major factors that contribute to the success of this management: the ease of installation, the ease of use. But before that, let me take you through a few features that we love about this all-in-one valve, ECU, and pressure sensors, like how there's no extra mounting or pieces to purchase. The built-in app is perfect when you want to take your experience to the next level. The remote included in the kit can also flip direction, and the valve has a totally customizable valve top. Now, let's get into the ease of installation. This easy plug-and-play harness includes a simple 3-wire system. Power, ground, and activation wire covers it all, as well as a simple USB cable for the remote. And if you want to run a second compressor, Airlift also offers an equally as simple second harness that allows you to run dual compressors correctly. In just a few minutes, you'll be done calibrating your system with Airlift's easy step-by-step prompts. We believe it's Airlift 3P's ease of use that further sets it apart from other managements. When activated, the auto rise upon start feature will lift your vehicle to the perfect height that you had already pre-chosen for driving. If you want to change that preset for any reason, put the vehicle where you like it, and it's as simple as holding down the button like when you're setting your favorite radio station in your car. These features, along with the LCD screen that shows you all your information all the time, are what make this so easy to use. These features make the 3P truly safe for anyone, regardless if they have any previous experience with air ride suspension at all. In one instance, a customer brought his car in, and after he took it home and his wife tried it out and saw how easy it was to use, they not only brought the wife's car in to get bagged, they also brought their 19-year-old daughter's car in to get bagged as well. The ease of installation, ease of use, and lifetime warranty have truly changed the industry and made the one-day installation a real thing. So after 1,000 installations of the Airlift 3P, how do we feel? Hands down, here at Airlift Equipment, we believe the 3P management is the best system on the market.